Italian diykidscraft. Today we're gonna be going through my DIY playhouse together. So we're gonna wake up Penguin up first. Then there's a wardrobe, a bed, the laundry room, and then the basket. So first we're gonna get changed. Then we're gonna go outside, have fun, get some fresh air. Well, while we're outside, I'm gonna make another thing from inside. So I'm gonna make the background for the area of where the penguin's gonna play. We're gonna have a slide. And then a swing. So then the penguin can have fun. Then when you get back home, you're gonna be all dirty. So he's gonna chuck his clothes inside the basket. So now we're gonna go through the house and then do the laundry. We've got the button. Then that's for a day. Then tomorrow he's gonna go do some laundries. It's been tomorrow. Now he's gonna do the laundry. So now the laundries are very wet, so he's gonna go outside. And then he's going to hang them up so they're not that wet. Which they fit perfectly on the hooks. Or the pegs, whatever you want to call them. So then today we're going to stay indoors because we don't want to get dirty. Now I'm gonna make a shower. We're gonna use a paper that we did use so we don't waste. First we need a little square. And then like a little semicircle. So I've done my shower, I just need the soap. So something cool about the soap is it's gonna have like a pink soap. Then behind it there's gonna be bubbles, so you can actually just take the bubbles off. I don't know if you get what I mean. So then you need the bubbles. This is what I'm talking about. It's going to be bubbles to go behind the soap, so that when you take the soap off, the bubbles stick on. So it looks like you scrubbed it. Stick it on like that. Because we don't want it to be too sticky, so we're not using sticky tape. Just like that. With a little blue tack at the back of this. So, like this. You can just like scrub, then stick it on, then take that off, so the soap goes on. So that's our shower. Now I'm gonna stick it in. The shower will go in this room. If you want, you can make this at home too, but trust me, it'll take you ages. Just like that. Now I'm going to demonstrate. Let's say you were all dirty from going outside. You could go inside the bathtub. Then you can just put some water on. Just scrub your soap on. Stick it soap on, or you can stick it anywhere you want. If you wash your hair, there. Then you can grab this and hold your character, then use it to scrub it off, which looks like you're actually washing it. Then you can stick it right back on to where it started. Then we can make a towel for it. So the towel can be wobbly, not just straight. Like that. Nice and wobbly. And most definitely not sharp. You can make it any color you want, but I'm going with a pink texture with like a bit of white on it. So the white will be here. We can rub the grey lid out later, but I'm not going to. Done. So there's your towel. You can hang it somewhere if you want, but you don't have to. So then you can wipe your character up. Then you can leave it in there. Then if you go downstairs, you're all clean. So I would want to do the laundry now, because I feel like it's a good time. I'm gonna get the basket. I'm gonna carry the basket outside. Here. Now you have to unclip them, take your stuff, photos, and put them in. Then you have to fold them, just like in real life. So this is why it's a house, not like some sort of random place. You would fold it, just fold, and then you can put it in any way you want. Complete all over the place. So you don't have to put your shoes in the washing machine. I just do that because it's funny. Then, after a big day of work, you can finally take a nap. Put your cool guy glasses on. Then, nap. Don't forget to like and subscribe, share to your friends, and have fun!